All right. So 22.4 liters per 100. Here we go. Yeah, so for sure your tires are a limitation, but when you went off there, I have a feeling you're a little too fast.
Yeah, I was just sending it too hard.
All right, tracking off. Woo! All right, last lap. Where's our camera dude?
Yeah, he's there with the vest.
Camera dude's out. All right. Here we go. I'm okay, right?
Yeah. I think it was just
I think I hit the skid plate. Yeah, I think I hit the skid plate. Okay.
Sorry, I'm out of storage space, by the way.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, my tires are. I think they might be a. I think we pushed them pretty hard.
Yeah.
So yeah, here I just same thing. I follow the inside and stick to the middle.
See, your tires when they screech, they don't screech like mine do. Like I can hear them screeching, but mine squeal, bro.
Of the tires.
Yep.
Hard apex. All right, and then for the camera.
Yep.
Yeah, tires. No.
Yep. Definitely losing traction.
Too wide, way too wide. Alright, and then I hit that apex. Braking traction again. And then this one I need to go wider. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit better. Hit the apex. Nice. Yeah. Hit that line. Hit that line. Hit the apex. Nice. There we go. hope that was my skid plate, cause
yeah, we'll take a look when we think. But you joined the club today.
there you go. But mine was not too bad. It was bad, but you know, not bad.
Mine was more like, it looked worse, but that sound though.
Yeah. Oh man, yours like, I think might have hopped the rumble strip pretty hard.
Yeah,
it didn't feel good.
No. But it wasn't like a sharp.
Yeah, it was a little.
Something that hit yours was sharp. That's what worries me.
What do you mean?
Well, whatever you hit.
Oh, it was like boom boom,
hard
right?
knock.
Yeah. We're gonna have to take a look.
Yeah, let's take a look at that.
Let me just pull in over there too.
I think it was on this side.
Yeah, it sounded like it. Fuck, I really hope I didn't damage anything.
Does it feel okay right now?
It feels fine, yeah. Hey! Great, actually.